In this video, I will show you using the camera tool in Excel. Very nice tool if you need the picture for your data. Like we have this data and we need the picture for particular data. So select it, new tab and click on camera. It will select it. Now you can paste in your document anywhere. So camera and left click. So you have that picture. You can save it. If you have this color problem, so you need to make color changes and try again. How to get this camera tab here? So file, more options and customize ribbon, and here select any tab like insert tab. Now here all commands and find out the camera and add it, or new tab and add it, then click on OK. So you have this new tab. Select it, your data, and click on camera. So it will copy and it will create the picture, and benefit is that once you make changes, so it will appear in your picture. If you have any error or you need some more explanation for using the camera tab, so comment. I will create a complete explanation for this camera tool. Thanks for watching.